Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start a new chapter on geography, which is mineral and energy resources. Okay, we all know minerals plays a very vital role in our life. The Not only that, it satisfies our needs. We'll start the chapter by first of all we'll talk about minerals and then we'll go to energy resources. Okay, how is minerals important to our life, or why is mineral important? We all know the things that we use in our daily life has some mineral content in it. Even the paste that we use is made up of minerals. We usually brush our teeth, yes, we usually brush our teeth in the morning, and the paste which we use to brush the teeth is also made up of minerals. Likewise, alkaline, limestone, etc. Even the food that we intake, it has some mineral content in it. Those nutrients that we intake has some mineral content in it. Around 0.3% of the minerals, around 0.3% of the food that we intake is made up of minerals. That is the reason why minerals are an indispensable part of our life. Why it is indispensable is that we are surrounded by minerals. From the smallest pin to the largest object, likewise ship, vehicle, any kind of vehicle like car, buses or airplanes are made up of some kind of minerals. That is the reason why minerals are an indispensable part of our life. If the question arises as to what is the importance of minerals, you should say minerals are an indispensable part of our life. Why? Because it satisfies our needs. Without it, we can't survive at this modern age. Not only that, in today's life, mineral plays a very vital role in determining the economic development of a country. Likewise, for example, let's take the example of Nepal. If Nepal, in the sense, had lots of gold and diamond, if diamonds and gold were to be found plenty in Nepal, then obviously Nepal would export those minerals and that country would be rich. Yes or no? But they don't have and they are not rich right now. Likewise, in Sikkim, if we had gold or diamond or different kinds of iron ore and whatnot things, our Sikkim would be self-satisfied. Okay, in that manner, mineral plays a vital role in determining the economic condition or economic development of one country. Okay, we'll come to the definition of minerals now. Now let's come to the next topic, which is definition of minerals. Okay, what mineral exactly is, or what geographer or geologist describes mineral as? Minerals are homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definite internal structure. Okay, minerals are homogeneous. I hope you all have learned in biology what homogeneous means. In simple terms, homogeneous simply means same kind of, or the opposite of homogeneous is heterogeneous, which is different. Okay. Minerals are homogeneous, naturally occurring substance means naturally occurring substance. Look at the word. Naturally occurring substance means it is not man-made or it is not artificially made. Have you ever seen man creating gold or iron ore? No, not at all. Everything is found under the earth crust, yes or no? Or some are found in the surface of the earth. What we do is we extract it, do some processes in it, bind it, and then use it as a final product. With a definable internal structure, means each and every mineral has its own unique properties, or each and every mineral has its own unique formula or formulae, let's say. And each and every minerals, some minerals are found, some minerals are very hard, likewise some minerals are very soft. The hardest mineral is the diamond and the softest is talc or clay. Okay, now minerals are found in rocks. Minerals are found in rocks. Okay. It's not that one rock contains only one mineral, or in one rock, only one mineral can occur. In one rock, one or more mineral can also occur. Alright? So, and talking about rocks, when we talk about rocks, where minerals occur, we are talking about igneous rocks, metamorphic rock, or sedimentary rocks. And when we are talking about rocks, I'm not talking about small rocks, right? Tiny stones or rocks. Those rocks may be as big as a hill too. So minerals are found in rock, and in one rock there might be one or more than one minerals. Okay. Now let's come to the another section. Um, Likewise, in which rock, what kind of minerals are found? Okay, it depends upon the physical and chemical conditions. Likewise, it depends upon the climatic condition, or it depends upon the upon the temperature of that area, whether the temperature is high or low. Now we'll start a new topic, which is mode of occurrence of minerals. First of all, let's talk about how minerals are formed. Okay, minerals are usually formed in ores, as ores, right? Now, what is ore? Ore is a accumulation of any minerals mixed with other elements. In simple words, ore is the let's say ore is the impure part of the minerals. Okay, when we can't use minerals just after extracting it. Let's take the example of iron ore. Okay, when we first take out iron from the earth surface, or let's say earth crust, that iron is a raw material of iron and steel industries. We can't use it, right? So to use that iron ore, we must do some kind of processes. Likewise, we must do metallurgical processes. Under metallurgical processes, we use coal as an energy resource, so to heat it up and then separate coal, separate iron and ore separately, right? Those ore, which is the impure particles, is thrown away, and that iron is used by other industries, so to make different kinds of other products, right? Likewise, from iron and steel, we can make different kinds of motor vehicle and whatnot industries, like ship industries. They take those as a raw material. Okay, ore is the impure part of minerals. Okay, and minerals are found in the form of ore. And now let's talk about the exact mode of occurrence of minerals, right? In which way minerals occurs in the earth crust or in the earth surface. Okay, number one is veins and lodes. Okay, on the veins and lodes, this kind what kind of minerals occur is tin, copper and zinc. Okay, now let's look at the board. Okay, now let's consider this as a earth surface, right? This is a earth surface. Okay, consider this as a earth surface. The entire thing is filled with mud, and the entire thing is that this is the land, right? This is the land where we step in. Okay, and veins and lodes are found in this manner. Okay, veins and lodes are found in this manner. So to extract this, what we should do, or so to take out those minerals, what we should do is we should dig the earth in this manner, like a pit, and they extract those minerals out. Okay, now let's talk about beds and layers. In the same way, beds and layers, right? Some minerals occur in the form of beds and layers. Alright, and this kind of minerals usually occur in land where the compression is very high. In this kind of forms, usually minerals occur in beds, and this portion does not have any minerals in it. So to take out those minerals, what we need to do is we need to dig a tunnel, right? We need to dig a tunnel in this manner. I hope you all have seen in movies. We need to dig out tunnels in this manner and extract these minerals. It is also called shaft mining or rat hole mining. So now let's come to the next one. Residual mass of weathered materials. Alright, some minerals occur due to the residual mass of weathered materials. Okay, consider this as a earth. Okay, this is the hills and everything. Okay, this is the plain and whatnot. So these are the rocks. This, due to the weather, due to the climatic condition, these rocks, what they do is they slowly decay, right, or they decompose, and they leave behind deposits of minerals. In that way, some minerals are formed due to the residual mass of weathered material. I hope you understood. Now another one, and what kind of minerals are formed due to this process is bauxite, and bauxite is the ore of aluminium. All right, now let's talk about another, which is alluvial deposits. All right, I have taught you earlier about the 3 phases of rivers. Yes or no? 3 phases of rivers. This is the mountains. All right, take this as a mountain. The river flows from the hilly regions or the mountains to the plain regions. Okay, when it flow, when it flow, let's take this as plains. This as hills. When the river flows, it together with it, due to the speed of the river in the hills, what they do is they bring sediments or they bring lots of minerals with it, and when it reaches the plain areas, those river, the speed of the river or the density of the river decreases, right? And when it decreases, those minerals which are brought by those speed flowing rivers, those minerals, what they do is they deposit in plain regions, right? And in that manner, those deposits also forms a mineral. So alluvial mineral are those minerals which are deposited by the river. And the minerals which are deposited by the river are usually silver and tin. And in the last, it is ocean water. And we all know in ocean water, minerals like salt is formed. Together with salt, bromine, manganese, these kinds of minerals are found in ocean water. So when we study about minerals, the difference between geographer and geologist is a very important thing that you should know. Right? You should be clear what is the profession of geographers and what is the profession of geologist. It might come in exams too. Okay? And number 1, geographer. Okay? And geologist. What do geographers do? Alright. Geographer studies mineral as a part of earth crust, which means geographers, what they do is they study the broad concept of geography, right? They study the entire geography. They not only study minerals, along with the minerals, they study about the river, the earth, the relationship between the human being and the environment, and the entire thing. What geography study mineral is, they only study that mineral is a part of earth crust. What does geologist do now? Let's talk about geologist. Okay, geologist specifically studies about minerals. They don't study about the entire geography, right? Likewise, geographers studied about the entire geography. Geologists study only about minerals. How minerals occur, what is the age of the minerals, what is the chemical and physical properties of that minerals, and so on. Right? Now let's come to a new topic, which is classification of minerals. Minerals are classified into 3 types, right? One is metallic minerals. Number 2 is non-metallic minerals, and number 3 is energy minerals. Okay, what do you mean by metallic minerals? Metallic minerals are those minerals which has metal content on it, or which has hard metal in it, right? Metallic minerals are those minerals which has metal content in it. Alright, when you hear the word metallic minerals, METAL, just remember the word metal. Alright, it has metal content in it. While non-metallic minerals, just the opposite of metallic minerals, right? It does not contain any metal. That means non-metallic minerals are those minerals which does not contain any metal in it. Alright. Likewise, energy minerals, let's see the examples. I will give the entire I will explain about energy resources and energy minerals in the next class, right? But the examples of energy minerals are natural gas, petroleum, and coal. And we all know, due to coal, we get heat, right? Due to coal, we get heat, and the entire process of metallurgical processes and the entire separation of iron from ore, the entire thing is done due to the heating, and that heating process, the raw material used is coal, and it is used as energy resources. So for the cars and vehicles, ships, aeroplanes, so to run them, what is needed? The energy resources is petroleum. Okay. Now let's come to metallic minerals again. Metallic minerals is further divided into three categories. Right. Number one is ferrous minerals. Okay. Now what is ferrous minerals? Ferrous minerals are those minerals which have iron content in it. Alright. When you hear the word ferrous, what you should remember is iron. Okay. Which has iron content in it. And the examples are iron, cobalt, chromite, etc. And non-ferrous minerals are those minerals, it is just the opposite of ferrous minerals, alright? Non-ferrous minerals are those minerals which does not contain any iron in it, or it has no iron content in it. For example, copper, lead, zinc, etc. And the last one is the precious minerals, alright? Precious minerals are those minerals which are not found in common. Likewise, ferrous and non-ferrous, it is not found in common, and it is very much valuable. For example, gold, diamond, etc. The name itself denotes precious. And what is the most precious minerals which we use? Gold, diamond. They are very costly, right? And non-metallic minerals, I explained to you what is non-metallic minerals, right? And the example of non-metallic minerals, those minerals which does not contain any metal, are lead, zinc, and aluminum. We'll learn this much for today. And if you have any questions or if you have any confusions, you can leave a comment in the comment section below.